Oops, sorry guys, I forgot to turn on my microphone. But guys, I'll show you the laggiest build. I just had to wait because all these parts, but I finally gotten this item and this sword and this staff. I finally gotten them, but yeah, I made the laggiest save because when I unanchored all these wooden blocks, I had, then, you know, it will just become like, I'm so happy that this select all tool and the screwdriver is in the game. I don't know if I'm a gamer or not, but I'm gonna have to, alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. It's so laggy. It's so laggy. You see this on the video, right? Oh god. Alright. I hope this video will be into YouTube because I can't make very long videos. Oh. Okay, I got this video.